Cotswold gardener. Today I'm going to be potting up a winter hanging basket. To go in the hanging basket I've got Heather White Perfection. This likes full sun and it can grow up to 40 centimetres in well drained neutral soil. I've got a hellebore, a Christmas rose. This again is full sun, likes well drained soil. Got a sedum known as baby toes, again full sun and well drained soil. I'm hoping this will cascade over the side of the hanging basket. And then I've also got a cypress Wilma. This will grow up to 6 foot when it's fully mature, but it takes about 10 years, so it won't be in the hanging basket that long. Okay, so I've got my compost ready. I'm going to mix in some slow release plant food into there. It lasts about 6 months. So just one handful into the bottom soil and give it a good mix. Make sure it's all nice and fluffy and the plant food is mixed in well. I've also got some sphagnum moss to go over the top and to hide the edges of the core material inside. And we couldn't find the right size to fit the hanging basket, so I've used 2 circle ones and sort of patched it up. So what I'll do first is I'll fill the bottom of the basket with a bit of compost. Pack it down well. And then we'll fill it up once we've put the plants in around it. So first of all I'm going to put the heather in on the left hand side. Take that out. It's well rooted, so we'll just mix the roots up a little bit. Because it's not going in the ground and it's staying in the hanging basket, then that's fine. Don't need to break the root ball too much. And I want to leave enough room to put the sedum to go around the front, so I'll put that in about there. I'll just put my watering can in front to support it up. There we go. And then I'm going to put the hellebore on the other side. It's got some lovely roots on. Knock some of its excess soil off the top where it's been potted. Like that, and then we'll put the cypress in the middle at the back. This has only got a small pot. As you can see, it's not very well potted. It's still in its seed pot there, so you'll have to pack that in well with the compost around it. Then we'll take the sedum out and we can make it into some smaller plants so we can pack it into the front. So I want to break this up. Plant this all the way around the edge so it spills over the edge. I'm going to put some more compost in there just to run out of it. And don't worry if the sedum breaks up, it will all start to root itself in. Pack the soil really well around the plants. Again, and then we'll take the sedum. Like that. We'll start to pack it around the front so it starts to spill over the edge. I won't put it too close to the hellebore because the hellebore is going to grow quite close to the edge anyway. If we just pack it all in like that. And some more of this compost. Some more little bits of sedum there. And then what I'm going to do next is put some moss around the edges. Put it all around the top so the plants don't dry out. Also looks nice as well. And there's our winter hanging basket. I'm going to put it out by our front door, but it's raining out at the moment, hence why I've done it in the house. But that should last there until the summer, and I'll take everything out of the hanging basket and plant it into the landscape. Thank you for watching today's video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!